In St. James now, the scars of Hurricane Melissa are still visible. Families in Catherine Hall and Westgreen say they watched floodwaters tear through their homes, destroying furniture and cherished belongings. Cleanup teams have started to work to restore the communities, but many residents are still trying to cope with the shock. Here's Kevin Black with more.
Oh my God. Right now, remembering about it, made a tremble with fear.
Floodwaters from swollen rivers and storm surge during Hurricane Melissa left homes in Catherine Hall, St. James, caked in thick mud and debris. Now local authorities have begun a large-scale cleanup effort, but some residents say they have nothing left.
You see your fridge that turn over, you see your stove them afloat, everything afloat. Come on, man, you see people out there, they ball out help and you can't help them. That kind of level of frustration we feel over here. So
the water rose quickly, leaving residents scrambling for safety. One mother recalls the frightening moment she had to grab her children and evade danger.
Lose everything. Flood out, me have my children, them everything, but got good thing, we have life. And because I save my children them. When we see the water come on, everybody about say, higher ground, and water reach up here, so I already me hold them, and we go on the corner and went upstairs, and we neighbor go upstairs. Good. Right, I run round. With the husband and the children, I run up. And my sister and my brother then run for rescue. We see them way, but we did come out of the house.
And while rebuilding begins and cleanups continue, residents say the emotional toll remains as they continue to recount how they made it through the worst of the hurricane.
In my house and water, everything that door, the blow up. Then we try to heal about it, and breeze, and after the hurricane boil down, and look outside, water, brother. You can't cover, man. You can't cover the water, but you couldn't believe. It was not easy. As I look at it at the ground, it more coming like a pain to me, see it on my hand. And it coming like a backside, and it coming like it does mix with everything in it.
As cleanup crews work and assessments continue, residents say their focus is on restoring normal life, one day at a time. Angela Melville, CVM News.